Good morning, all. Today we are going to have a business model canvas. In the company name is SpaceX. SpaceX is in United States. It is founded in the year 2002, and it has 10 lakh plus approximately clients. And we have chosen this from the crunchbase.com, where all the unicorn companies are being listed.
In the base, SpaceX companies are in industrial verticals are in agri and tech food, healthcare, energy, aerospace and defense, automobile, fintech, smart city, and innovation and technologies are augmented and virtual reality, Internet of Things, AI and ML data analytics, robotics and automation, additive manufacturing. The SpaceX company are mostly in aerospace and defense, Internet of Things.
What is BMC? A visual chart which elements describe a frames of products value, proportions, infrastructure, customer and finance assistance business to align their activities by illustration, potential trade-off, components of BMC, customer segment, value proportion, channels, customer relationship, key resource, key activity, key partners, cost structure, revenue streams.
Why SpaceX? The unique selling point are first private company of successful launching orbit and recovery a spacecraft service. First private company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Stations (ISS). First flight of a commercial cargo spacecraft. First private company to send human into a orbit. Overseeing the first water landing of the first stage orbital capable rocket.
Key partners: NASA, the suppliers who provide the parts for it to manufacture its spacecraft. Company has more than 3,000 of these partners, with 1,100 of them making weekly deliveries. Microsoft, cloud computing. Key activities: business model entities, designing, manufacturing, launching rockets, satellites. Key resources: software, hardware, employees, skills, knowledge, structural, proportional engineering employees. Value proposition: first privately funded liquid fuel rocket to reach orbit around Earth. First private company to successfully launch orbit and recover a spacecraft. First private firm to send a satellite into geosynchronous orbit. Overseeing the first landing of the first stage orbital capable rocket. Customer relationship. Customer relationship is primarily of a dedicated personal assistant nature. Works closely with clients as it oversees the launch, orbiting, and recovery of spacecraft. Customer segment: direct interaction, maintaining support, continual interaction with individual representation, long-term contracts. Channels: websites, conference, social media pages. Cost structure: manufacturing infrastructure, employees, frequent product enhancement, sales, marketing, R&D costs, launch mission, cost of materials. Revenue streams: sales of the rocket, satellite, merchandise if manufactured. SpaceX raised $1 billion in funding from Google and Falcon. Thank you.
So this is all about the BMC of SpaceX, and we have it raised 1 billion in funding from Google and Fidelity, because everything depends on Internet of Things. Satellite is very important. So the revenue streams are flowing from the major user of Internet is Google and Fidelity. So the customer segment is direct interaction, maintaining support, as well as continual interaction with the individual representation, long-term contracts. And we have a relationship primarily of a dedicated personal assistance nature, works closely with the clients, it oversees the launch, orbiting, and recovery of spacecraft. So it's a craze about going to space and coming back, and this SpaceX paid mission of getting the man into moon, and a lot of progress is going on. So thank you.